Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system management. Then let's tap on reset options, and here at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So let's simply tap on it. Your device will inform you what it will actually reset. You can also erase eSIM cards. It's completely up to you, and then tap on reset settings. Here, be aware because you cannot undo this action, so be aware about that, and then tap on reset settings. And now we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.